Coaxial cable is a single copper wire wrapped in foam insulation surrounded by a braided metal shield and then covered in a plastic jacket. This picture shows a coaxial cable with its shielding layers. Because of its good shielding properties, a coaxial cable is a good option for carrying several analog signals like cable TV network. Coaxial cable has also been used for long-distance telephone transmissions and occasionally for cabling in local area networks. There are two types of coaxial cables, baseband and broadband. Baseband uses digital signaling to carry only one channel of digital data. Its common application is the interconnection of switches within a local area network with 10 to 100 megabit per second data rate. Broadband coaxial technology typically transmits analog signals and is capable of supporting multiple channels of data simultaneously. As such, it is used in cable TV networks. Many cable companies offer 100 or more channels, and each channel or signal occupies a bandwidth of about 6 MHz. Compared to the twisted pair cable and baseband cable, each broadband cable can provide a higher data rate that can travel longer distances. In addition to the two signal-based categories, the coaxial cable is also available in two types of thicknesses: thick coaxial cable and thin coaxial cable. Thick coaxial cable ranges in size from 6 to 18 mm in diameter. Thin coaxial cable is about 4 mm in diameter. Thin coaxial cable has limited noise isolation and carries baseband signals. Thick coaxial cable has better noise immunity and is generally used for transmission of analog data such as video channels.